Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create interactive drag and drop activities in Google Slides, a perfect tool for teachers, trainers, or anyone who wants to make presentations more engaging. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design and share your own activity step by step. Let's jump right in. Open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so everything saves automatically. From the home page, click the blank presentation option to start fresh. Before adding anything interactive, plan the visual design, background, and static elements. Set a background color or image that fits your activity theme. This will stay fixed. Add text boxes, instructions, or any shapes that should remain stationary. These will act as your board-identified drag and drop areas. Decide exactly where participants will move items. These zones can be highlighted with shapes or outlines so they stand out. Now, create the objects that participants will move around. These can be shapes, text boxes, or images. Anything you want students or colleagues to interact with. Make each item distinct and easy to spot. For identical pieces, copy and paste to keep their size and style consistent. Ensure there's enough space so users can click and drag without clutter. This is where you test your activity. Click and drag your items yourself to confirm they move smoothly. Adjust sizes, spacing, or colors if anything feels off. Remember, Google Slides saves automatically, but it's a good habit to double check that your latest edits are saved. Once your drag and drop slide looks perfect, click the share button in the top right corner. Under sharing settings, select anyone with the link can edit if you want students or participants to move the pieces themselves. Copy the link and send it out, or post it wherever your audience can access it. And that's it. Your fully interactive drag and drop activity is ready to go. Google Slides makes it surprisingly simple to create engaging lessons, games, or brainstorming sessions without extra software. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.